Okay. This is a short video about the Pho-Tak Traveler 120 camera. I took off the cover so you can see the shutter mechanism. This is the cover plate here that has the lens in it there. I think the lens is actually embedded there. This is for the flash contacts, which you can see they meet up over here. And then this is inside of that piece. And then here's the shutter mechanism here. I actually screwed up this spring that brings it back. So you sort of have to lift up on the shutter now with this. But you can see how the shutter works there. Here it is from the film perspective side of it. I'll try to get in there a little bit more so you can see that a little bit more. There it is. It has two speeds. This is the 1/50th speed, and then if you move it this way, it keeps the shutter open. This is the back. This is the viewfinder. To get the back off, you have to lift this up, the rewind knob up, and then the back just pulls off. So those are the inside parts of it. The little shutter button actually goes up on top there. That's this little piece there. Very simple camera, literally, except for the glass lens and the glass or plastic in the eye viewfinder area, is literally all metal.